This dishwasher is making some weird
Let's
noises.
take this thing apart and see where all that noise is coming from. This is nasty. These need to be serviced for sure. But what was the cause of that noise? This little tab. All cleaned up, ready to go back together. It's easier to put the screws in after you put that piece down and then torque it up after. It's a weird design. Usually these don't have screws that hold this down, it's just a twist off. But Samsung for ya. It's a lot easier to do it this way. Put the screws in after. And now we'll install the distribution tube for the upper and the mid spray nozzles. And then once we put this into place, we're ready to put in the bottom spray nozzle, and that's just screwed down with a couple of screws. And then we can put the racks back in. So thanks for watching. We'll see you guys on the next one.